Hey everyone, Two Nuts here. Let me show you what I got going on in the garage tonight. Was the GoPro on? Oh my God! We got an 88 TRX 250R chassis. I've got a gusset kit. It's going to get welded onto it. It's going to get powder coated. Very similar red to this. And then this thing is actually off to South America, which I think is really freaking cool. I've done stuff for people on the other side of the country, but not that far. That's kind of an honor to me. Looks like we got some repairs too. Gotta get all these out. I'm trying my best to get these things out without cracking them. Sometimes it just happens, nothing you can do about it. But looks like I got my work cut out for me. It's not very often that you get a frame that's got these things in it in the first place. So try to preserve them if I can, but if I can't, then I can't. Go. Alright, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and start with these guys right here. Shouldn't be too difficult. Grind them up, weld them on, rock and roll. Now I've actually got one of these and I love it. But mine has an aftermarket frame on it. It's been quite a while since I've messed with stock frame, but if I remember right, these guys are spacers. If I remember right. Maybe I don't remember right. I might have to look it up, but these guys should go like this. Yeah, I don't remember. I'll figure it out though. I'll get that ground up, tacked up, figure it out. Alright, so like pretty much everything that I do on TIG welding these, they gotta be clean. So I already went ahead, and at least just these guys that I'm working with right now, I went ahead and sandblasted them so they're super clean. And these guys go together this way, so what I'm going to need is to bevel the edge of this. So I'm going to go ahead and hit that stuff on the belt sander really quick and get this thing beveled up, and then I will get things all tacked together and then throw it on and see how they look. Straight edge over it, make sure it's flat and weld away. think what we'll do is I'll get this thing on there, and then I'll heat it right here and tap it back so this piece kind of goes back into the frame. I should do it. So I get that thing tacked in there. Alright, so I'm going to take this back off. You can see right here where the weld bead is, and this factory weld is holding this guy up. So I'm going to take it over the belt sander and just knock that off really quick. It sucks, I already got everything else lined up and I got to take it back off again, but it is what it is. Piece right here, okay, heat it up, hit it with a hammer. Are these guys. Have to get this corner a little bit on the belt sander, and that ought to do it. Easy, easy. Not bad. I do have to clean some more of the paint up here though. So I'm going to do that first. Alright, I'm good with that. We can get that thing tacked in there just right where it's at. Alright, you guys get the idea. It's kind of tedious. It is what it is. But either way, we'll go ahead and put you guys down. I'm going to get this all tacked up, and I will probably go ahead and get that one tacked up just to see how I feel. But I got gussets here, here, stuff over here. There's all kinds of gussets. I think there's some in the front. I have to look at the sheet again. But either way, I'll get back with you guys in a minute. That's tacked, that's tacked, that's tacked. This is not my day job, this is my night job, and I gotta get up in the morning for my day job. So this is gonna be it for now, and I'll see you guys later.